mandate new privacy policy till data protection bills comes into force. Hi viewers, I'm Janvi Gupta and you all are watching Such News Network. Here's the latest update. WhatsApp tells Delhi High Court it will not compel users to opt for the new privacy policy till data protection bills comes into force. The messaging app tells Delhi High Court it will not limit functionality for users for opting for the new privacy policy. WhatsApp also clarified before the bench of Chief Justice D.N. Patel and Justice Jyoti Singh that it would not limit the functionality for users who are not opting for the new privacy policy in the meantime. Delhi High Court, which was hearing Facebook and WhatsApp pleas challenging a single judge bench order dismissing the pleas against the Competition Commission of India, that is CCI decision. Representing WhatsApp, senior advocate Harish Salve tells Delhi High Court that WhatsApp has responded to MITI's notice seeking a response. WhatsApp will not limit functionality for some time and continue to show users the updated until data protection bill come into force, he adds. A WhatsApp spokesperson said, "We reiterate that the privacy of users remains our highest priority. As a reminder, the recent update does not change the privacy of the people's personal messages. Its purpose is to provide additional information about how people can interact with the businesses and if they choose to do so. We will not limit the functionality of how WhatsApp works in the coming weeks. Instead, we will continue to remind users from the time to time about the update as well as when the people choose to use the relevant optional features like communicating with the businesses that is receiving support from the Facebook. Also, we hope this approach reinforces the choice that all the users have whether or not they want to interact with the business or not. We will maintain this approach until at least the forthcoming PDP law comes into effect." Salve said that the WhatsApp would nonetheless continue to display the update to its users. Also, the court is hearing the appeals from Facebook and its firm WhatsApp against the single judge order refusing to stop the competition regulator CCI's order directing a probe into WhatsApp's new privacy policy. WhatsApp has drawn massive criticism from the users globally, including India, over concerns that data was being shared with its parent company, Facebook. WhatsApp, on its part, has maintained that the messages on the platform are end-to-end encrypted and neither WhatsApp nor Facebook can see the private messages on WhatsApp's platform. So this was all about WhatsApp's new privacy policy. Keep watching Such News Network.